Hello guys, Standard 7, chapter number 16, Water or Precious Resources. So guys, in the previous video, as we have discussed about the water cycle, what is the meaning of water cycle, hydrological cycle, right? So water is just transferred from one place to the another place by transpiration, precipitation, evaporation, right? This is called as the water cycle. It changes its state in solid, liquid and gas by this cycle. Then we have discussed about the availability of water in India. So main source of water in India is the rainfall, right? So by the rainfall, all the sources like river, ponds, lakes will be filled. So that we have discussed. So now today what are we going to discuss? Topic is uses of water. So there are main three uses: domestic, commercial or industrial uses, and agriculture use. So what is the domestic use? So domestic use, that means where water is useful at home, drinking, cooking, washing, laundering and other household function like cleaning, right? So these types of the uses are called as domestic use. So how it is distributed to each and every home? So municipal corporation transfer this water by pipelines, right? Actually what happens, water has been pumped at a high level, then it is transferred to the pipeline to each and every society and at home. So what is the procedure of this treatment? So first of all, there is a source of water like river and dam, right? Then this water has been transferred to the flocculation, that means by pumping and this pipeline it has been transferred to the one tank. It is called as sedimentation tank, right? So it is sedimentation tank is above the ground. So what happens, for 1 day or 2 days this water will be stored in this tank, and due to the sedimentation automatically the heavy particles and dust particles will be settled down. Then this water has been transferred to the filtration tank. So by the filtration there is stones and coal and this 2 to 3 layers of the stones and sand and coal, right? So few little particles which is little more in size will be stopped in the filtration. Then this water has been transferred to the disinfection tank. So here chlorine tablets and other tablets are added in this disinfectants, right? So whatever germs and the other bacteria will be died in this infection tanks. Then by pumping it is stored in at a height level. Then it is transferred to the society and for the other purposes, right? So by this way, and this also it is also transported at home also, right? So this is called as the system water treatment and distribution system. But in rural area it is difficult to transfer water, right? It is difficult to supply the water. So how it is supplied? So most of the, in the case we can see there is a borewell and well. So by pumping water has been just taken out. Now next topic is commercial and industrial use. So what is commercial use? So firefighting at school and other public building where water is required, right? If we discuss in hotels and laundries, restaurants, offices, so and manufacturing plants. So for these purposes, water is useful. So it is commercial use. And second is industrial. So like ceramic factories, then paper mills, chemical factories, where water is useful too much for generating electricity. And water is good solvent. That's why it is useful in many of the industries, right? As a solvent. And water is also useful as a raw material. It is useful in a boiler as a for coolant. So these all are the uses of water in industry, right? And water supply and water demand depends on population and geographic location of a place, depends on climate. If we discuss in summer season, there is most of the time there is scarcity of water. So depends on climate. If we see nowadays, so there is rapid increase in commercial and industrial use. That means there is big load on water supply. So in future might be possible कि there will be, due to the lack of water in the summer season, there might be scarcity of water, and our whatever sources are which depends on rain, right? So without rain and due to the scarcity of water या तो lack of rainfall, what happens? Whatever sources like dam and rivers we have, which will be empty. So again there will be trouble for the water, right? So there is a big problem in India. Now if we discuss about third use, it is agriculture use. So guys, out of total water supply, 90% of water is useful for the agriculture purposes, to grow plants like cereals, fruits, vegetables, and for milk production. So how water is useful in agriculture? So for irrigation purposes, right? And where there is no irrigation supply and water supply for agriculture, so water has been supplied by the monsoon in the monsoon season by rainfall. So it is natural. But nowadays government is building so many canals and pipelines to supply water for the irrigation purposes, and making so many reservoirs like dams, check dams. And now farmers are used to bore wells and underground wells called as, right, for the water storage and irrigation purpose. Now guys, let's solve these fill-ups. So first fill-up is, the heaviest rainfall in India is in east area, right? Second, runoff rainwater happens in hilly regions because rainwater does not have a time to seep into the soil because of slopes. So answer is this first one. Now third one, rains, rivers, lakes and oceans make up the surface water. Fourth, in towns and cities, the domestic water comes mainly from the municipal water supply. Now put the one word in the correct column. So there is two columns, surface water and groundwater. So first one, aquifer. So it is groundwater. C, this is surface water. Pond in surface water. well is groundwater, water table is groundwater, rainwater is surface water. So these were the answers of the fill-ups. So solve in textbook, no need to write in fair notebook. Now guys, see today's homework. Take out MCQs in exercise. Solve MCQ number 4 in textbook. Define 5 in textbook. Give 2 examples also. Question number 4 in textbook. Then turn your page. Distinguish 3 and long question number 3. Write down this distinguish and long question in notebook. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day.